Hotsy offers a wide variety of pressure washer lances ranging from 12-inch to 79 inches in length, allowing you to reach most wash areas. If these still fall short, your local Hotsy dealer has just what you need to take your cleaning to new heights. Adjustable fiberglass telescoping lances are available in 3 different sizes: 6 to 12 foot, 6 to 18 foot, and topping out with an amazing 8 to 24 foot model to easily wash 2-story buildings from the ground. Telescoping lances eliminate the need for expensive, time-consuming, and accident-prone ladders and scaffolding. Simply connect the telescoping lance to your pressure washer, extend to the desired length, and tighten the lock collar before washing. For additional support and ease of use, a strap and belt harness is available, adding extra stability for those lengthy jobs. Pressure rated to 3,500 psi and 200 degrees of water temperature, these telescoping lances are built for rugged use. An extension lance control kit can be used to effortlessly raise and lower the telescoping lance using water pressure. This handy accessory utilizes an easy grip handle and can be used either right or left-handed to easily control the telescoping lance with no kickback or whipping action. Reduce fatigue and get the job done faster by using time-saving accessories like telescoping lances. Your local Hotsy dealer will provide pricing options as well as a product demonstration. Stop by or call today and see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.